Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well and I really hope you guys are happy. In today's video, we're going to be doing a really quick clean with me. It's going to be a Monday refresh. I have rested over the weekend. My husband and I have been traveling the past 3 weeks off and on, and I haven't had the time to actually do my bi-weekly cleans or my normal weekly cleans that I usually do. So today I really felt rested and I wanted to go ahead and tackle that. If you are new to the channel, hey, my name is Mary. I hope this video does encourage you to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I hope this video encourages you to clean along with me, and if you're not in the mood, trust me, I understand. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the music while I'll tackle these 3 rooms.
Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish way to love you more these days. We go back, we collide. Had a vision, we held on to so tight. To me it was clear, but you lied to me. Now I keep thinking, was I wasting my time letting you into my life? You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turned out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed? What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we collide. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish way to love you more these days. We go back, we collide.
So you guys have seen me clean this sectional several times. I'm just vacuuming the sectional off, getting rid of all the dirt and dust that has accumulated over the past few weeks. Like I said, I haven't cleaned this room in 3 weeks, so I wanted to not give it a deep clean, but I wanted to deep clean it up to know that it's clean enough to my standards. Now, if you are interested in the sectional and if you just want to know about the sectional, I'll link a video that I actually just posted a few months ago, and it's kind of going in detail what I feel about this sectional that I got from Ashley's Furniture, and I'll make sure I have the actual sectional link down below as well so you guys can check that out. You guys, when I say it feels so good to be back home, I really enjoy traveling. It's something that my husband and I, one of our favorite hobbies to do as a married couple is to travel. But you guys, when I say I have been non-stop these past few weeks, that I definitely want to feel my own energy at the house, and I just want to be at home cuddled up on my sofa or in my bed. So I definitely needed to give the house a really good clean so that I can feel comfortable and cozy before we have to set out again.
And you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, 'cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, 'cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, 'cause I hope you pick it up soon. And you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, 'cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, 'cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love.
So if you guys are new to my channel, hey, once again, my name is Mary. I'm a stay-at-home wife and a caretaker to my mom. She lives with my husband and I. And I created this channel not only to create a hobby for myself while being at home daily, but to encourage all women, especially women of color, that they can live a life of peace and luxury as they see fit. It doesn't matter what you have or what you're trying to acquire, as long as you're able to create a space that is peaceful and as beautiful as you see it. That's all that matters. So I really hope that you guys get something from my page when watching me. I definitely want to do a get to know me so that you guys can have a little bit more insight on who I am as a person, where I come from, different scenarios and situations that have molded me to be the woman I am today. And I'm very, very proud of myself. So I hope that you guys, when you're watching my videos, you not only get encouraged to clean, to decorate, but just to be the best version of yourself that you can be daily.
I know I got issues. Hate you, then I miss you again. Selfish, I can be so selfish. Spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my attitude. I want my cake and eat it too. But a little grace would be enough for me to prove that, baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I can finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you. Crutches, I be holding crutches, can't let go of any mistakes. Distant, sometimes I get distant, stay away as long as it takes. Please forgive my attitude. I need my cake and eat it too, but a little time will be enough for me to prove that, baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I can finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you. My highs and my lows, it's part of being human. Can you weather the storm? I'm starting to believe you can, cause baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want these problems, I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you.
So guys, just moving on to the breakfast nook. You guys know my mom just finished eating breakfast here. I actually haven't cleaned it. This week we had my nephew in town and my brother was in town as well, and we really got to just have a good family gathering. So when I say it's time for me to definitely sweep up and clean, there's a lot of crumbs and just a lot of fingerprints going on with this table. I'm so sorry about the lighting. I don't know what happened. I think my camera was on a darker setting, and having all the lights off in the house made it give more of a orangish yellow hue, so I do apologize about that. But yeah, let me know down in the comments, what room is your favorite room to clean. I like cleaning this breakfast nook because it does not take a long time to clean. It seems like the living room takes forever, but this breakfast nook literally took me less than 15 minutes to straighten up and get ready.
Baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, if you kill him, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
So this box is actually filled with meal prep containers. I picked those up over on Amazon, and I'll link them down below. They're pretty deep and pretty full. I definitely have been trying to just be more intentional about our portion size, about what we eat, and eating in-house as well. Me and my husband is looking and doing research to starting a garden because we are very intentional about our health, especially with wanting to start a family. So that's where we are in life. Super excited about it. So now I'm just getting this kitchen wiped down and squeaky clean. By this time, I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I'm exhausted. I was like, oh my God, I feel like I've been cleaning all day. I think this was about a 4-hour clean, but everybody in the house is up and the house is smelling good and feeling good, and that really was my goal for the day. I can actually chill for the rest of the day, which is great for me outside of editing this video. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off this video by getting the kitchen together.
I've been thinking about the good times, I've been sleeping through the long nights, I've been shining in the sunlight, I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings, there's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep in love, yeah. Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees. Every night I fall deep in love, yeah. Wait a minute, don't you leave me before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. should catch up on my reading. I should catch up on my eating. Yeah, but it's hard to keep a thought straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like? Yeah, I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I was so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love. Wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss you. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss you. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you, said a minute with you, said a minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you, said a minute with you, said a minute with you is all I I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow, can make you grow, can make you grow.
So guys, after all that cleaning, we are finally done, and this is what the final look looks like. Thank you guys so much for staying with me to the end. So if you made it this far, definitely put down in the comments #made it, and I love you guys so much for that. If this was your first time visiting my channel, I definitely hope this video encourages you to subscribe. You guys hit that like button, give me a really big thumbs up, and as always, remember to stay safe, spread love, and always be kind. Once again, I thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.
Sometimes giving up can make you grow, can make you grow, can make you grow. Sometimes I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. I don't appreciate the chase.